Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform to release standard tokens on Solana. First we go to the token creation page, then connect to the mainnet. I will demonstrate it to you using the testnet. Next connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. Once the connection is successful, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First select the token mode. We choose the standard token. Then fill in the token name and the token symbol. The name should not exceeds 32 characters, and the symbol should not exceeds 10 characters. Here the maximum token decimals is 9. And you can also modify it yourself. The supply is the number of tokens you issue. The maximum limit of the supply is related to the token decimals. If your token decimals is 9, then the maximum total supply cannot exceed 10 billion. If your token decimals is 8, then the maximum total supply cannot exceed 100 billion, and so on. After that, we click to upload our token logo. Then comes the optional filling part. Here we can add social links according to our own needs. Next we add a description and tags. You can add them by yourselves. Note that we can add at most 5 tags. Enter the tag and click add, and the tag will appear in the box below. If you think it's not appropriate, you can also delete it. At the bottom is the advanced options. First is the vanity contract. Here we can customize and generate a contract address with a specific prefix and suffix. Enter the prefix and suffix, and then click Generate. At the bottom are some authority settings, such as revoking update authority, revoke freezing authority, and revoke mint authority. Revoking update authority means that you will not be able to modify the token metadata. If you revoke frozen authority, it means that you will not be able to restrict specific accounts from performing operations, such as sending transactions. If you revoke mint authority, it means that you will not be able to mint more tokens for supply. There is also the option of whether to use GTO. When the network nodes are congested, you can use GTO, which can greatly increase the success rate of issuing tokens. Note that if you don't understand, don't set these authorities casually. Just keep the default settings. After filling in everything, we can click Confirm. This is uploading our token logo. Then the wallet will pop up in the upper right corner. Click Confirm, and the creation will be successful. We can see the token address here and copy the token address, or we can click Go to Create Marketing ID below to create a market. Then in the token management section, enter the token address here. We can search the token we just created, or we just look for it below. We can also find it. That's how to create a standard token. Then you can try to operate it on your own. If you have any questions, you can come and ask in our community. See you in the next issue. Bye.